Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Han, otherwise known as Han Embroiders, and this is my second ever embroidery vlog. This is just a weekly vlog series where I show you everything that I've embroidered during the week, and I go into a little bit of depth about the shoes, the design, show you some up close footage of the shoes themselves. This has been a shorter week for me, so I'm just going to be showing you everything that I've embroidered over the last couple of days today, since it's been about a 3-day week for me. So earlier in the week, I finished up some bridal vans for Georgia in New Jersey. I'll insert a clip of those now. Her colour scheme was pinks, champagnes, and I added in some white and some greenery sprigs, as well as her future married name and her wedding date. And then yesterday I finished up these platform something blues for Hannah in Georgia. As you can see, she went with a custom colour scheme for these something blues. She actually sent me a picture of the colorways she was working with her florist. I was able to match these down to the exact shades that she'll be using on her big day. And on the back, I added her future married name and her wedding date down the spines of the shoes. So these are going to be shipping off today, and then I'll show you the shoe that I'm actually going to be finishing off today as well. So these are my rose gold bridal Converse. These are part of my Luxe collection. I released these last year and they've been super popular since then. Here's a little close-up of the outside of the shoe, and here's a close-up of the inside of the shoe. I think this design looks like it just belongs on the inside of the shoe. I actually just have to add the personalization onto the back of these, and then I can package them up and ship them out. So I'm going to do that right now. Okay, so I've just finished up these Luxes for Beth in Colorado. I've added her future wedding date and the initials that she requested to have on the shoes. So here are the spines of the shoes all finished with the personalization. So I'm going to package these up and have them ready to ship off tomorrow. And that is everything I embroidered this week. I did just want to chat quickly about the giveaway that I mentioned on my Instagram stories. I'm planning on doing an embroidered shoe giveaway once we hit 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube. I think I'll do a prize for first place, second place and third place. Only a couple more hundred to go on YouTube before we hit that goal. So if you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and do that. And maybe turn your notifications on so that you get notified whenever I post on this channel. In next week's vlog, I do plan on answering the rest of the get to know me questions and introducing you to my pets, which was a very frequently asked question on my Instagram prompt that I posted. I hope you guys all have an amazing end to 2023, and I hope to see you all in 2024. See you next week.